Yay, the supermarket!
Today, we go to the supermarket.
I want a cart. It is fun.
First, the fruit. Fruit!
Wow, so many colors. Let's pick some. An apple. It is red.
1, 2, 3, 4 apples.
I like bananas. They are yellow. Yellow!
They sure are, Lily. Let's get some.
An orange. It is orange.
A pineapple. It is big.
A watermelon. It is very heavy.
These are grapes. They are purple.
Yes, they look very fresh.
Can we get some?
Of course.
Now, the vegetables. Vegetables!
A carrot. It is crunchy. Carrot! Look, broccoli.
It looks like a tree.
An onion. Onion! Woohoo!
Oh, Lily.
A potato. I love potatoes.
A tomato. It is red and round.
It is cold here. The dairy section. This is milk. White milk. Milk!
1, 2, 3. Be careful. Eggs. 1 egg, 2 eggs.
I love cheese. Yummy cheese.
Strawberry yogurt. Yummy.
I smell bread. Bakery.
Fresh bread. Yeah! Oh, Lily! Bread power!
You're the bread champion. Fresh bread wins. Look, a cake. It is sweet.
Wow, it looks yummy.
Let's get it.
Cookies. 1 cookie, please.
Of course, Lily. Here you go.
Yummy. Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's go get some bread now.
A donut. I like donuts.
This is the meat section.
Cook, 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 cook. A chicken, chicken.
Yes, Lily. A chicken.
Let's get it.
Fish. I like fish.
Hee hee, silly.
Here you go. Snacks. My favorite aisle.
Me too. Let's get some.
Yeah, look at all the chips. Chips.
They are crunchy.
Candy. Red, blue, and green.
Chocolate. I love chocolate.
Drinks. I am thirsty.
This is water. Clear water.
Great choice, Lily.
Orange juice. Juice.
A big bag of rice.
Rice.
Cereal. For breakfast.
Good choice. Yay, breakfast time. Sweet honey. Honey.
Ice cream. Cold and sweet.
Soap and shampoo.
This is soap. Clean.
Toilet paper. We need this. Toothpaste. For my teeth.
Toothbrush. Brush, brush. A flower. It is pretty.
The cart is full. We are ready.
Let's go to the checkout.
Okay, Oliver. Hi there. Ready to check out?
Hello, this is the cashier. Shopping is finished.
Hello, my name is Oliver. I am happy today.
Look, we are at the zoo. It is so big.
Let's learn new words at the zoo. Lily, you must stay next to me. Do not run.
I promise, Oliver. I will be good.
Can you say elephant? E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T.
Elephant. The elephant is gray and strong.
Good girl. Now, let's go and see the monkeys.
Wow, look at the monkey. It is climbing the tree. The monkey likes bananas. It is funny. Oh, butterfly, it is so beautiful. Wait, I want to catch it. Come back.
Are you thirsty, Lily? Here is some water.
Thank you, brother. The water is cold.
Where is the lion area? Let me see. Lily? Lily, where are you? I cannot see my sister.
Wow, the giraffe is very tall.
I must find Lily. Quickly!
The lion is big. It is scary.
Roar! I am hungry.
Oliver, I am scared.
I want my brother. I am lost. Help! My sister is small. She is 5.
Oh no, what happened?
She got lost. I can't find her.
Don't cry. We will look together. Really? The lions?
Yes!
Let's go see them.
Okay, thank you. Is she here? No. Where is she? Listen. Is that Lily crying? Lily, I am here. Do not be afraid.
I am your brother. I will protect you.
The lion is dangerous. You must not go alone.
I am sorry, Oliver. I will listen now.
It's okay, Lily. Let's go. Good. Always hold my hand in the zoo.
Look at the zebra. It is like a horse.
It has black and white stripes. Look, a penguin is so cute.
The penguin can swim. It is fast.
One, two, three. 1, 2, 3 penguins. They are small. Oliver, I am tired. My legs are weak.
It's okay, Lily. You can lean on me.
I have a gift for you. Do you like it?
I love it. Thank you. A small lion. It is not scary now.
Goodbye, Wonder Zoo. It is a great day.